So we're making our way downtown, walking fast. 1261. So that means we're on the left side. So we're not.
We are not in the penthouse.
We're not.
Dang, we almost got the penthouse suite.
So. So we got we in the room, got the bathroom. Right when you walk in, got the mirror. It's looking all right, right, Fab?
Yeah, so far. I mean, I can't see the bathroom and go pee.
She wants to go pee, but I'm videoing. So yeah, it's nice. They got a decent closet, with a small safe inside. Make sure that's locked. We don't need no intruders. Good sized wall mirror. I mean, hey, for predominantly free, what can you expect, you know? It actually has the view out the window. Let me tell you about this view out this window. Oh my gosh. Let me show y'all this view. You see that? Look at that. That's like, wow. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see it, like it's focusing. It's like so pretty. The view, it's amazing. What is that? What are those? Yeah. I mean, it's all right view, you know. Like I said, it is what it is. We here. That's the Beau Rivage over there. Oh, our favorite spot, Fab. Our favorite spot. Liquor and wine. Our favorite spot's right there. That's why they gave us this room.
For more videos like this, check us out on February's Vacations on YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
The world is yours, let's go and explore. The world is yours, let's go and explore. The world is yours, let's go and explore. The world is yours, let's go and explore.